Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to get a discount on Hieno. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even Hieno deals for 2026. Without further ado, let's begin. First, go to the Hieno website and browse the available home living products. Take some time to explore the different categories and find the products that best suit your home and lifestyle. Once you've found the items you want, select any available options and add them to your cart. Before checking out, look around the homepage for promotional banners, seasonal sales, and limited-time offers that may help you save money on your purchase. You can also sign up for the Hieno email newsletter to receive updates about new arrivals, exclusive promotions, and special discount offers. Many online stores provide subscriber-only deals and early access to sales through their newsletters. If you're a new customer, look for any welcome offers or first-order discounts that may be available before completing your purchase. Now open your shopping cart and review all the items you've selected. Proceed to the checkout page and look for the promo code or discount code field. If you have a valid coupon code, enter it and click apply. Make sure the discount is reflected in your order total before continuing. You may also want to check for bundle deals, clearance items, or holiday promotions, as these can provide additional savings compared to purchasing products individually. Review your order carefully, including product details, shipping costs, taxes, and any discounts that have been applied. After that, enter your shipping and payment information. Double-check that everything is correct and that your savings have been applied successfully. Then complete your purchase using your preferred payment method. After placing your order, keep an eye on your email for future promotions, exclusive offers, and upcoming sales events. You can also follow Hieno on social media to stay updated on new product launches, giveaways, and limited-time discounts. Before making future purchases, check the Hieno website again, as seasonal promotions and special offers are often available and can help you save even more on your next order. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Hieno deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.